Let's learn about the different sections available in manual pages. The manual pages are further divided into several sections. Let's understand the sections one by one. The executable programs or shell commands, system calls, the library calls, special files, file formats, miscellaneous, games, system admin commands, and kernel routines. Man sections. In this demo, we will see how manual pages are divided into different sections that document the specific domain information. Type in the command man to open the information about the manual pages. You can see on the screen that it contains 9 sections. The first section is about the executable programs or shell commands. The second section is about system calls. These are the functions provided by the kernel. Normally, when writing any system program, we use these system calls to make use of the kernel services from the user space. Meaning, your RAM area is divided into 2 areas, one called the user area, where the user runs the applications, and the other called the kernel area, used to run kernel programs. A normal user cannot enter this kernel area. So if you want to take the service of kernels, you will have to write a program. These programs' interfaces are called system calls. The third section is for library calls, which are precompiled programs that are ready for use. These are different from system calls. In system calls, you will have to write the program, whereas in library calls, the program's already present. The fourth section is for special files that provide information about your devices. As you know, in Unix, all physical devices are treated as files, and these are present here. For example, a hard disk connected will have a file name. In Linux, the hard disk is known by the name SDA for the first hard disk, SDB for the second, SDC for the third, and so on. These names are written in a specific file called /dev directory. So your hard disk's name will be /dev/SDA. The fifth section is for file formats and conventions that gives the information about file formats and protocols corresponding to the C structure. The sixth section is for games and describes all games available on the system. The seventh section is the miscellaneous section that gives an overview of various topics, describes conventions and protocols, characteristics, standard file system layout, and other miscellaneous information associated with the system. The eighth section is the system administration commands that describes the commands used by the superuser to manage the system. This may include some hardware and service domains. Service domains are programs that complete certain tasks, such as SSH, DNS, and DHCP. The ninth and the final section is the kernel routines section that contains the information relevant to the data structures, variables, and functions relevant to the kernel. These are the sections in the manual pages which make it easy to search for information.